Lesson 5-6 Algae, Fungi and Amoeba. Fungi are non-green thallophytic plant. They cannot take part in photosynthesis because they do not have chlorophyll. So, they are heterophyte or saprophyte. Heterophytic fungi grow on stale, rotten food stuff, fruit, vegetable, wet bread or leather, cow dung, etc. Saprophytic fungi grow on dead organism or on soil full of humus. তাহলে ফাঙ্গাই যারা আছে বা ছত্রাক বাংলায় বলে, এদের ক্লোরোফিল নেই, এই কারণে তারা ফটোসিনথেসিস করতে পারে না, খাবারের জন্য অন্য কারোর উপর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট। কেউ কেউ এই যে স্টেল পচা বাসি খাবারের উপর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট, যাদের বলা হয় হেটেরোফাইটিক, আর কেউ মরা ডেড অর্গানিজম, মৃতদেহের উপর ডিপেন্ডেন্ট, তাদের বলা হয় সেপ্রোফাইটিক ফাঙ্গাই। Economic importance of fungi. We get many valuable medicine including penicillin from fungi. Fungi named yeast are used in preparing bread. Yeast are used in vitamin tablet as they are very rich in vitamin. Nowadays, a kind of mushroom called agaricus is used as fancy food. At present, agaricus is cultivated in many countries including our country. Fungi have important role in putrefying waste product and mix them in soil. Putrefy মানে কি? পুট্রিফাই মানে হচ্ছে পচানো। তাহলে ওয়েস্ট প্রোডাক্টকে পচিয়ে মাটির সাথে মিশায় হচ্ছে ফাঙ্গাস, যে স্যাপ্রোফাইটিক ফাঙ্গাস খুব স্পেসিফিকলি বলতে গেলে। ফাঙ্গাই আর রেসপন্সিবল ফর মেনি ডিজিজেস অফ ম্যান, অ্যানিম্যাল, বার্ড অ্যান্ড প্ল্যান্ট। ringworm, inflammation of the trachea and freckles are fungal disease. Disease like lead blight of potatoes, black bland disease of jute, red rot of sugarcane, etc. are caused by fungal infection. They easily attack furniture made of wood, bamboo, cane, etc. and damage them enormously. Prevention of fungal infection. Fungal diseases are highly contagious. Contagious মানে ছোঁয়াচে, অর্থাৎ ফাঙ্গাল ডিজিজগুলো খুবই ছোঁয়াচে রোগ। It means a person may get infected on coming into the contact with an infected person. The following measures should be taken to be safe from this disease. Avoid using cloths, combs, caps, sandals of the infected person. অর্থাৎ যে ব্যক্তি অলরেডি ইনফেক্টেড তার জামা কাপড়, ক্যাপ, স্যান্ডেল এগুলো ব্যবহার করা যাবে না। অ্যাভয়েড মিক্সিং উইথ ডিজিজড পারসন, যার রোগ হয়েছে, ফাঙ্গাল ডিজিজ হয়েছে, তার সাথে খুব বেশি মেলামেশা করা যাবে না। স্প্রেইং ফাঙ্গিসাইডাল অন ইনফেক্টেড প্ল্যান্ট অর আপরুটিং অ্যান্ড বার্ন দ্যাম, যেসব গাছে ফাঙ্গাল ডিজিজ হয়েছে সেসব গাছ উঠিয়ে ফেলতে হবে এবং পুড়িয়ে ফেলতে হবে। অ্যালগি। অ্যালগি আর ক্লোরোফিলাস অ্যান্ড অটোফেটিক অ্যানিম্যাল ইন অর্ডার অফ থেলিওফাইটা, অর্থাৎ অ্যালগির ক্লোরোফিল আছে এবং তারা অটোফাইটিক। অটোফাইটিক মানে কি? নিজের খাবার নিজে প্রডিউস করতে পারে ফটোসিনথেসিসের মাধ্যমে। দে গ্রো অন সয়েল, ওয়াটার অ্যান্ড অন আদার প্ল্যান্টস। বিসাইডস, গ্রিন, রেড, ব্রাউন, এটসেট্রা colored algae are also seen. The algae named Spirogyra grows in the most water bodies. Benefits of algae. Algae extracted from marine algae used in preparing ice cream. Marine algae is also good source of iodine and potassium. Algae are used as food in fisheries. Harmful role of algae. Algae are responsible for causing various diseases of human and plant. Abundance of algae in water bodies creates shortage of oxygen that may cause death of aquatic animal and fishes. তাহলে algae কি করে? পানি থেকে অক্সিজেন কনজাম্পশন করে ফেলে, অক্সিজেন নিয়ে নেয়, যার ফলে অ্যাকুয়াটিক অ্যানিম্যাল অর্থাৎ জলজ যে প্রাণী আছে, মাছ আছে, তারা অক্সিজেন পায় না, অক্সিজেনের অভাবে মারা যায়। অ্যামিবা। Amoeba, a member of the kingdom Protista, is a unicellular organism. Their body is very small. They cannot be seen without a microscope. They can change their body shape in case of necessity. Small finger-like structure which they produced from their body is called pseudopodia. With the help of pseudopodia, amoeba takes food and move from one place to another. তাহলে অ্যামিবা খুবই ইন্টারেস্টিং একটা অর্গানিজম। তারা তাদের বডি শেপ চেঞ্জ করতে পারে নিজের ইচ্ছা অনুযায়ী, এবং যেই অর্গানেলির মাধ্যমে তারা এই কাজটা করে তাদের সেটাকে বলে সিডোপোডিয়া। সিডোপোডিয়ার মাধ্যমে তারা ধীরে ধীরে নিজের বডির শেপ চেঞ্জ করে যেখানে খুশি সেখানে চলে যেতে পারে। The body bears some water vacuole, food vacuole and contractile vacuole. The body is surrounded by thin transparent membrane which is called plasma lemma. Amoeba grows in water, wet soil, rotten waste material, organic debris at the bottom of the pond, etc. Lesson 7. Entamoeba. There are two types of dysentery such as amoebic and bacillary. One type of bacillus bacteria is responsible for causing bacillary dysentery. Amoebic dysentery is caused by the infection of one kind of unicellular animal, Entamoeba. Entamoeba is a unicellular organism which belong to the kingdom Protista. They cannot be seen with bare eyes. Their body have no definite shape because they continuously change in size and shape. যেহেতু অ্যামিবা অ্যান্টামিবা, ওকে, তো এক ধরনের অ্যামিবা, এ কারণে তাদের বডির কোনো ডেফিনিট শেপ নাই, কন্টিনিউয়াসলি তাদের সাইজ শেপ চেঞ্জ করতে পারে। Their body is transparent and jelly-like. In adverse environment, sometimes they cover their body with hard round covering. This condymon first is known as cyst. অর্থাৎ প্রতিকূল পরিবেশে অ্যাডভার্স এনভায়রনমেন্টে তাদের বডিকে তারা একদম শক্ত প্রাচীরে ঘিরে রাখতে পারে, যাকে বলা হয় সিস্ট। They live in as parasite in large intestine of man, monkey, cat, dog, pigs and rats. Entamoeba for causing a kind of dysentery is responsible. Entamoeba reproduces in cell division and sporulation process. In sporulation process, protoplasm of the cell divides into many parts and produce small spore. In favorable condition, each spore grows in new entamoeba. The patient bears the germs without any symptom. It is very difficult to cure amoebic dysentery completely. The disease is completely cured when a competent doctor is consulted and taken proper medicine. Lesson 8-9. Role of microbes in creating health hazard. Bacteria may get entrance in different process. Dirty hands may act as a suitable carrier for germs. Bacteria can enter into the mouth through dirty hands. Bacterial spore may also be transported with the cloths as we use. Bacterial spores may travel from one place to another with the dust in the air. Bacteria may easily get transferred through shaking hand. Germ disperses easily through stale and rotten food. Cholera and typhoid are bacterial disease. One spread of disease caused by virus, bacteria and entamoeba was very high. It was caused due to the shortage of safe water. Defecation and urination hither and thither causes risk of public health. Animals feeding on this fecal material disperse the germ from one place to another. Besides, the rainwater and tidal water also spread the germ to distant place. In many areas of our country, there is no sanitary latrine and the people use field or unhygienic latrine for defecation. Defecation হচ্ছে মূত্রত্যাগ, মলমূত্রত্যাগ। Entamoeba infested fecal material get mixed with the soil. Handling the soil contaminated hand, vegetable grown in this soil are also contaminated. Vegetables sometimes contaminated with entamoeba germs. After normal cooking, entamoeba germ are still alive. অর্থাৎ যেসব ভেজিটেবল entamoeba জার্মগুলো নিয়ে দূষিত থাকে, মিশ্রিত থাকে, নর্মাল কুকিংয়েও ওই entamoeba জীবাণুগুলো তরকারিতে ভেজিটেবলে তখনও অ্যালাইভ থাকে, জীবিত থাকে। Entamoeba is transferred in this way. When infected with virus, sometimes it is cured normally within 2 to 4 days without any medical help. But some disease need long-term treatment. Virus of cough and cold spread through coughing, splitting and sneezing. Mosaic disease of plant are transmitted with simple contact. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is still not curable. AIDS is transmitted when blood from infected person is taken drug by those who are addicted, using same needle many times while taking injection medicine and involving in immoral trafficking. Mumps, pox, measles, etc. are very painful disease. These viral diseases are transmitted through air and get into the respiratory tract. Lesson 10. Prevention and remedy of health hazard caused by microbes. For prevention and remedy of this disease caused by virus, bacteria, fungi and amoeba, a joint effort is needed to follow the rules of hygiene carefully. It should be kept in mind that a weak health runs the risk of being attacked by disease. So everybody should take balanced diet regularly according to body need. Only meat and fish cannot meet the demand of balanced food. Taking vegetable and fruits along with these can fulfill the demand of balanced diet. Vitamins and mineral salt are important for maintaining good health and developing resistance against disease. Next come the use of sanitary latrine, cleaning and washing hand and mouth following health rules. Having regular nail cuts, brushing the tooth and taking bath using toilet soap are also very important for the prevention of diseases. Not splitting on the road, using mask or handkerchief while walking on dusty road, and covering face with handkerchief while coughing and sneezing are good effort for resisting the spread of germ. After wiping the cough with the handkerchief, it is essential to wash it after returning home. If possible, you can use tissue paper while wiping cough. One should avoid using or coming into contact with usable things of the diseased person. It is important that drinking water should be safe. To avoid cholera, typhoid and bacterial disease, it is a must to take safe drinking water. We should use safe water for drinking, bathing, washing cloth and utensils. Water from arsenic free tube well is safe. Even clear water from pond and river should be boiled properly before use. Man, animal, birds should be treated properly when they are ill. Birds with bird flu virus should be killed and buried under the soil. Cattle, when suffer from mad cow or anthrax disease, should be killed because during its treatment, other animal may be attacked with such diseases. Encourage everybody for leading a hygienic life. You are to have clear idea about how germs get inside human body and how to resist them. Discussions may be initiated in school, mosque, temples, playground, market places and places where a large number of people gather. The best preventive measure is to make people aware of it. When attacked, the patient should call in a good doctor and take his advice. If needed, medicine should be taken. Treatment of a quack doctor leads to complication instead of curing it. We have much responsibilities regarding it. What we have learned through this chapter: virus, bacteria, fungi, amoeba, etc. lower organism. Virus is an acellular organism. Virus, bacteria, fungi and amoeba, etc. disease producing organism. Water, air and dirty hands spread germ. Healthy living prevent diseases.